Welcome to Techverse, your ultimate hub for cutting-edge tech insights. Today we're diving deep into the latest buzz about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which, according to tipster Anthony, the Galax_, is set to borrow the best features from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This highly anticipated device is rumored to sport a massive 200MP main camera, larger displays, a bigger vapor chamber, and a faster Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, along with improved speakers, all packaged in a thinner, lighter design. Although it may come with 12GB of RAM instead of the 16GB found in the Special Edition, this trade-off is expected to keep prices stable while still offering a significant upgrade over the Galaxy Z Fold 6. With the launch slated for Q3 alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung is gearing up to resolve previous design challenges like cramped outer screens and subpar IP48 dust and water resistance, promising a more immersive and refined user experience that could finally bridge the gap between innovation and practicality in foldable smartphones.